Good morning, children. In this module, you will learn about the importance of chemistry in the field of food and agriculture, food processing, minerals, and petroleum. This all belongs to the introduction to chemistry. Now, see the diagram which is given over here. Because of chemistry, we are able to get paper, plastic, clothes, cooking items or utensils, food, soap, batteries, petrol, concrete, pills or medicines. So all these things are products of chemistry. We will learn about all these things, how this has been developed from chemistry or how chemistry is helping us in our day-to-day life. Food and agriculture. Chemistry has helped farmers by providing them with agrochemicals. Now, agrochemicals are the chemicals which are used by the farmers in the fields to either increase the crop yield or to protect the crops from pests and fungi, etc. Let us study about it in details. Fertilizers. These are chemicals which provide essential nutrients to the crops and increase their yield. Some of the fertilizers which are used by the farmers are urea, sodium nitrate, potash, etc. Second, pesticides. These are chemicals which are used to kill pests which affect the production of the crops. These pesticides are used so that the pests do not destroy the crops. The crops are healthy and it can be taken out at the time of need. Example of pesticides are malathion, aldrin, etc. Insecticides. These are chemicals which are used to kill small insects which are present in the field, which also destroy the crops. Examples are DDT and BHC. Fungicides. Fungicides are also chemicals which protect the crop from fungi. Example, Bordeaux mixture and sulfur. Preservatives. These are used for better preservation of food. Example, sodium benzoate, sodium metabisulfate and salicylic acid. Now, why and where these preservatives are used? The jams that you see, the ketchup that you use, these all are taken out from natural ingredients. Now, if you do not put preservatives into them, you cannot keep it for long. So these type of preservatives are present in the ketchup or the jam or other food items that you are using. So chemistry helps the farmers with agrochemicals like the fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides, fungicides, etc. From the figure which are over here, you can understand that the farmer sprays the pesticides on the crops or fertilizers are given by the tractor like this on the fields. Food processing and processed food. Now, what do you understand by processed food? In today's market, when you go to any shopping mall, example the Big Bazaar or the Reliance Fresh, etc., you will find there are certain packets which are ready to cook packets or tinned foods which are present. Now, what are these? These are all food processed or processed food that you are getting. So it is the transformation of raw food materials by physical or chemical means into marketable food products which can be easily prepared and served to the consumers. For example, the cheese that you eat, the tinned vegetables that you get, bread, jam, butter, these are all processed food. They are all processed in the factories by the help of chemicals. The chips that you eat, the soda water that you eat, that is the soft drinks. So these are all the products of food processing or processed food. Minerals and petroleum. This is another important field where chemistry has helped us a lot. The knowledge of chemistry has helped us in developing methods for the extraction of different metals from their ores. Now, these metals are used in the manufacture of tools and machines. See the picture which is given over here. What is an ore? What do you mean by an ore? It is a rock with the metal in it. There are three examples which are given over here: the gold ore, the iron ore, and the copper ore. Gold ore means the rock which consists gold in it. Iron ore is the rock which consists iron in it. And copper ore is the rock which consists copper in it. So these rocks contain enough metal or compounds of metal which can be mined out separately, and through chemical treatment you can get the metal itself. Now, gold in the market is available in the form of jewelry. Iron is used in preparing tools and machines. Copper also used in making tools or sometimes machines or machinery parts and wires. So with the help of chemistry, we are able to extract the metal from the ores. Petroleum products are also separated from crude oil with the help of chemical techniques. Petroleum also we get in the nature as form of crude oil. Now this crude oil has to be refined in the factories. When refined in the factories with the help of chemical techniques, we get several products like petroleum that we use. Then we get kerosene oil, we get the mobile, wax, etc. So all these things are used in our day-to-day life. The other important points of the importance of chemistry will be discussed in the next module.